Good morning, students. Our next topic is loops in C. Loops are three types of this: while, do while, and for loop. So if we talk about loop means something that is in repetitive form, or if we talk about in technical term, then we can call it as iterative instructions. It means the instruction that is repeating for certain time. So first we will take example of while. The while loop, do while loop, and for loop. These three loops are defined in three parts, in which the first part is defined as initialization, second part is defined as condition, and third part is for the flow of loop, or we can say that termination of loop. It is also known as update expression. So first, just take an example of while loop. Suppose we want to print our name 5 times. There is one more method to print our name 5 times. No need to use any kind of loop. Simply give printf command 5 times and you will get output as your name or any other string as 5 times. But we are discussing here loops. So what happen in case of while? First I have take an int variable I, which I have initialized as equal to 1. So initialization is the first part of any loop. After that I have given some condition. Condition is what? That this loop will work till 5 or any other integer like 10, 20, 30 or so many types. I have given here 5 because I have to print name 5 times. So the loop has been given as while I less than equals to 5. It means I will repeat until I is not greater than 5. So next you just given command printf as your name, anything. Then I have given I plus plus. This is what? This is the update expression, or we can say that flow of loop. It means the value of variable I was equal to 1 in initialize. So initially I value 1 less than is equal to 1. The condition is true or false? Condition is true. So we'll go into the loop and we'll print the value of name that is given here Ravi. So we are not out of the loop. Now we'll increase the value of I plus plus. It means the previous step I was 1. Now I am getting I as 2. Again I will compare the value of I, which is equal to 2 now. So 2 is less than equal to 5, true. So again the name will get print. Next I plus plus. Now the value of I variable is 3. So 3 less than equal to 5, true. Again name will get print. Then 4 and so on, and then up to 5. 5 is yes equal to 5. So this is also true. Will again get output as Ravi. Now again I plus plus. Now I is 6. Compare 6 is less than or equal to 5? No. When condition is false, I am not going to inside this loop. I will get here. So it will just come out of this loop and does not print any name. So this is the process of while loop. Next is do while loop. What it do? It simply print the variable or print the name according to the given program without checking any condition. So we can say that in while, first it check condition, then print the value. But in do while, first it will print and then will come out. The same process will run here, like do, yes, printf name and I plus plus. When I will get greater than 5 or equal to, not equal to actually, greater than 5, it will come out the loop and will not print the value of name. Next is for loop. For loop is similar to these two loops. It has also three parts. First is the initialization, second is condition, and third one is the flow of loop, or also known as update expression. In do while and while, both of these loop, we do not know the number of steps, that how many number of steps the loop will repeat. But if we talk about for loop, when a user know the number of steps of a loop, that how many number of steps should be calculate in this given program, then we use for loop. Let us take an example. Int I have taken a variable I as int data type, where I have to print again name up to 5 times. So first I have initialized the I equals to 1, then I have given some condition that up to 5, because I want to print name 5 times, and then I have given increment operator, or we can say that flow of loop. Now in first case I equals to 1 and I, it means 1 less than is equal to 5. Is this true? Yes. If it is true, then we'll print name. At next, it will get increment as 2, because I previous value was 1 and now this is 1 plus 1, 2. So now 2 will compare with 2 less than equal to 5. This is also true. So we'll get print here the name. And next, I plus plus will get increment by 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So now 3 would compare as 5. 3 less than equal to 5, true, so printf. Next, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than equal to 5 is true, so Ravi will get print. Next, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 is less than equal to 5, true, so we'll get print here Ravi. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. Is that 6 less than equal to 5? No, this is false. So I will not go inside this loop, will get come out here and will give print. Next is break. Break is the basically keyword that can be used in loop body or in a switch body. Loop, as we have discussed before, do while loop and for loop. Switch will go to the go discuss in next lecture. So the purpose of break is just to break, or we can say that to terminate the loop's execution immediately as it encounters. Just take an example. I have taken x variable in int data type and I initialized as equal to 1. So I have write down the loop while, where I have given some condition. We know very well that what it says, that loop will repeat 5 times with this code, because I value is less than or equal to 5 and I is equal to 1 initially. So first it will get 1 less than equal to 5, true, so will print 2, then I will get print 3, will get print 4, will get print 5, will get print. But what if I am having the value greater than greater than 5? Suppose I have taken an element x as 6 or x as 4 or x as 3. I have given a condition that if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then what will happen? I have just give a command break. If it is true, then we'll get break, and if it will get break, it will say that printf applied break. It means you are not having run this loop even a single time, and you just came out of this loop and print applied break. I will take example of break in next lectures in detail. I just want to understand you that break is a simply keyword that immediately terminate any loop execution. Clear?